Alright, if you do it like this, they don't get all browned. I find that 3 of them in the center. This is the best way to get the brown on them all. That one's not that good. We'll put this one in the center. That one was folded. I had to fix it. Get rid of the shrapnel. Alright, when you get the onion, there's 2 sides. That's the top, this is the bottom. I want to find the bottom and cut through it. Then you want to leave the bottom over here, and you want to cut it up. Whoops, wait for it. After you finish cutting, shred them up a little in your hands. Make them fall apart. Sprinkle over the top. Oops. Want to hit the floor. Two onions, why? It's going to smell amazing. Alright, the one thing we want to do now, wait for it. I have a half a stick of butter, and you want to sprinkle around the center. I'm going to turn the flame on real low and let them cook for like a half hour. That butter's going to melt and drip down and add flavor. Oh wait, don't forget the most important. Got to put the lid on. Kept the flame on real low, and it's just cooking for an hour. Some nice browning. Now when I flip them all over, those onions are going to start to caramelize. And wait for it. And you can see the ones that were in the center. It's got very nice color. The others are all cooked perfectly. Let's move this one a little. Another half hour. Just remember, I have that flame as low as possible with the lid on. Smells delicious. Hour and a half later. Could have browned them up more, but this is what we were looking for. Nice. My great-grandmother used to make these from scratch, and now I could go to the dollar store and get them for $1. And there you go. It's my dinner. Yummy. Hour and a half cooking. Insane, right?